Reconciling a refund in Xero is an essential task to ensure the accuracy of your financial records. To begin, navigate to the Bank Reconciliation section in Xero and select the account you want to reconcile. Next, locate the refund transaction in your bank statement and find the corresponding transaction in Xero. If the refund is not already in Xero, you will need to create a new transaction. To do this, go to the Spend Money or Receive Money section, depending on the type of refund, and enter the details of the refund. Once you have located or created the refund transaction in Xero, you need to match it to the bank statement. In the Bank Reconciliation section, click on the checkbox next to the refund transaction to match it to the bank statement. If the amounts match, the transaction will be reconciled. However, if the amounts do not match, you may need to investigate further. This could be due to a difference in the date or amount of the refund. In this case, you will need to adjust the transaction in Xero to match the bank statement. Best practice is to regularly reconcile your bank accounts to ensure accuracy and catch any discrepancies early. It is also essential to keep your financial records up to date and accurate to ensure compliance with financial regulations. In summary, reconciling a refund in Xero involves locating the refund transaction in your bank statement and matching it to the corresponding transaction in Xero. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the accuracy of your financial records and maintain compliance with financial regulations.